2 days we reached Colombia, Bogota. Exactly from Bogota we went to the airport, same airport our bikes also arrived. Usually custom clear takes 1 hour, 2 hour, maximum here it took about 8 hours.
We are at Bogota Avenca Cargo Terminal. It took us 5 minutes to get their job done, the cargo guys, whereas it took us 7 hours to get the customs cleared. By the time Avenca guys had shut their godown, but this gentleman, Mr. Mario, was very helpful. He understood our situation. He came down, got the warehouse opened for us, and then he also gave us a hot cup of coffee because it's 10 degree out here and it's freezingly cold. So Mario took care of us and ensured that the vehicles were delivered to us on the same day. Otherwise, we would have wasted one more day. So a fantastic job. Kudos to you and gracias. Okay. Thank you.
After getting that paper, we had given them the list of bike, took our bike, stayed in Bogota city.
A lovely city but heavy traffic greets you in Bogota.
Yes, we are in Colombia, Bogota. Bogota is chill, but people are very angry. Everybody is having a stern face. They look at us as if we are some cocaine dealers. They don't see us as tourists. Actually, Bogota, you should thank us because we are going to spread your name in the world.
Jay decided to service his bike. He took an appointment. We went there, given his bike and serviced my bike. I told them to clean chain sprocket, adjust switch sprocket. When we shipped our airlifted our bike Panama to Colombia, Bogota, this bolt broke. So I tried with cable tack. And now we came to Vijay bike to Kawasaki to service Vijay's bike. Then I requested mechanic, can I put my bike inside and do some fittings? He accepted, so I'm fitting it. Now I got a bolt.
Yesterday has been so busy. We have been extremely busy.
Yesterday is a busy day for us.
Yeah,
Always.
too much shopping.
We are in Bogota, Colombia. We are on the way to Medellin. Today may be a little tough because it is only 400 kilometers, but we have to, Google says 8 hours, then we don't know. Let's see.
A lot of hilly terrain. We are going to a hill.
It's about 400 kilometers, but entire 400 kilometers you do it on the mountain terrain. No road on the plateau. You ride on the mountain, single road, treacherous, no barricades, one slip and you are into the gorge. That's how Andes Mountain welcomes you.
Medellin is a beautiful, beautiful city.
You enjoy Medellin like anything. You have a lot of places to go around. Pablo Escobar tour is there, which we did in a very broad way, trying to understand the history of both the person as well as the place.
Okay, we are at Medellin, Colombia, and this is the place where Pablo Escobar was shot, been killed. by army.
It's close to the what you see on a Netflix series. The Netflix series has been made very close to the reality. This is the place. That's the window. The cement window that you see there wasn't there before. That's where he tried to jump, and then that was the terrace on which he was shot. Everything has been picturized in the series so close to reality. Amazing stories that we are getting to hear. So we have more to go. We'll keep covering that and keeping
Nothing
you
has
posted.
changed. It is as it is. It was when he was being killed in 1983.
93.
93. Oh, sorry. This is Pablo Escobar jail, luxury jail. We got private waterfall, swimming pool. What else? See the view from his jail.
He could control the entire city.
City, you want to see entire city and control. This is the jail and you can watch entire city. What?
The city. And beautiful, Medellin is beautiful.
Hi, we are at Pablo Escobar Cemetery. This is Pablo Escobar Cemetery and his families. Our biggest don, Mr. What is his name? Pablo Escobar lived. He had a team here, and we are heading towards the restaurant where he used to come and have lunch, coffee, tea. So I told the guide to stop here to have a coffee. Where the Don had coffee. We are at the restaurant where Pablo Escobar used to have his lunch, dinner, and spend his time. This is a local area of his in where he used to live. This is the football ground where he has his own teams, sponsored, and we decided to have our lunch here. And the view lunch, just see the lunch.
From there, we set to go to Cali, from Cali to Pasto, and then you enter Ecuador.
So we are at Medellin in Colombia. It has been almost a week that we have reached here. The reason why we have been stuck in Medellin for a long time is that on-arrival visa for Indians in Ecuador has been withdrawn from August 12th. We started the ride on August 7th, and this rule has come into effect from August 12th. Because of that, you have to apply for a visa and then get into Ecuador. Now applied online. Luckily, we had some Biking Brotherhood friends in Ecuador who have helped us get an appointment for Monday. Hopefully tomorrow we fly to Bogota, get our visas, come back to Medellin, and then pick up our bikes. Till such time, what we are doing is we are getting our My Bike's lights fixed, which got conked last week. Ecuador visa. Got the Ecuador visa.
This lady used to take care of good food for us. Gracias, gracias. This is the hotel we stayed. Premium Real Hotel, Medellin. Really good people, good country.
From there, we ride to Cali. Beautiful roads, lovely view, breathtaking view. So we reached Cali. From there to Pasto. The border between Ecuador and Colombia is called Ipiales.
Wow, we are in Ipiales, Colombia, Ecuador border. Wow, beautiful road, rain. We got more experience in Colombia, I think, Vijay. Like bad roads, curvy roads.
No, it's fantastic. Nothing to complain.
I'm not. It is not a complaint. It is an adventure, no. So you got to see everything in one country. Did you order?
I have told her something, she understood something, so she has gone inside running. I hope she will get some food.
I told Vijay to order breakfast. See what he has ordered. Boiled potato, some meat and rice. No sambar, rasam here. And he got some chutney.
Hey, this is our tomato onion chutney that my mom makes at home.
What a place, what a place, what a place. Wow, can anybody see the cathedral?
We have beautiful Virgin Mary Church, which is constructed between two gorges. It has got an amazing, breathtaking view and a master architecture. We enjoyed that place.
We're walking towards the cathedral, which I become very tired. We are not able to balance with our shoes. Vijay?
Yeah, we are on the riding gears.
Uh,
Okay, this is called the Les La Cajas Cathedral.
people are asking why you are not touring, we are not seeing sightseeing. If you want to see the sightseeing, we have to wear all the gears,
We have
walk.
to remove all the gears.
We can't remove. Where to
Look
keep
at
the
the
gears?
surface, it is tapering. You can see behind.
See waterfall.
Behind.
See behind. Wow.
The road is.
We're not able to stop.
See, there's a beautiful waterfall.
Wow. Very good. I have to walk all the way from the top down to the cathedral with all my gears. It is a little tough, but worth coming here. Worth coming here. Wow. What a cathedral. Where they built. Big river down. The waterfall. The cathedral. Oh, I have to walk all the way up from this to reach up. We went to the cathedral. We are just about 10 kilometers away from the border, 10 or 5 kilometers away from the border. We met a Chinese traveler. He has come all the way China. We started doing ride from Alaska to Antarctica. A few words with him. Hi.
嗨，你好，你好，我来自中国上海，我要去阿根廷，在路上遇见2位印度朋友，很高兴遇见他们，祝他们好运，一路顺风，一路平安，到达终点。
Thank you. He's wishing us on his language. Whoever understands Chinese, please understand.
And the best part is he's traveling very light.
Light luggage, huh?
He's traveling very light. He has been on the road for the last 4 months, and it is going to take another 3 months for him to get to Alaska. He goes very light. Something which we should learn.
We have short of time. He has lot of time. Ecuador formality is very, very simple, very decent, very clean, very neat. We have never expected those things in other countries. There are a lot of formalities on border. Ecuador is very simple. They don't see any paper. They take your photos of your bikes and just load in a computer and take a printout and give it to you. They are approved. They said, I need to take insurance. In Ecuador, you don't need insurance.
And started riding towards Quito, the capital of Ecuador.
Welcome to Ecuador.
ஈக்குவடாருக்கு அன்புடன் வரவேற்றுள்ளது.
எல்லாம் நான் ராகுல் காந்தி மாதிரியோ நீ காத்த டிரான்ஸ்லேட்டர் மாதிரியோ.
We entered Ecuador, were looking like
Switzerland.
wow. Ecuador never expected so beautiful.
Amazingly wonderful. Worth $400 பா.
Almost இது மாதிரி இருக்குது. It looks like New Zealand.
சுவிட்சர்லாந்து மாதிரி.
New Zealand.
சுவிட்சர்லாந்து, நியூசிலாந்து. கவுஸ் கூட அதே மாதிரி இருக்கு. ஃபட்டா இருக்கு.
What a beautiful place, Ecuador. We never expected Ecuador will be so beautiful.
Everything is picturesque. Suddenly everything turned dark. We were welcomed with stones and bottles on the road. There was a big strike and riot happening in the country.
I got scared. I said, Vijay, something is going wrong. Why not you turn a bike? There people are telling, go back, go back. No Spaniard.
Pasaporte.
English? And I told, we are from India, we are doing a world ride. No, they said, no, you go back. We took a turn of bike, the good two small local biker came, they said, I'll take you in a different route, you can join in other side of the highway. He took us mountain terrains, you can see the off-road. completely off-road, going in up in the mountain in small roads. Finally, we landed up in a highway. Tanks team started riding not even a kilometer. Again, we see road is blocked. Keep blocking. We got scared and panicked. What to do next? Either we should shed. We can't do ride in the night. Finally, I found one police. I told Vijay we'll ask police. Then translator we translated him. Then police escorted us. Then he took us to the hotel and went to the hotel manager and told these two people give him a place to stay. Wow, police car is escorting us for a safe stay.
சார் முன்னாடி பார்த்து வாங்க எல்லாம் சூடாக இருக்குது.
Come on. Next day morning we decided we'll leave at 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock the strike people will not be there in the road.
But that did not happen. 5 kilometers and then the protest was too violent early in the morning for us to take any risk. This time people were even looking to hit us.
There were plenty of roadblocks. Finally we went to another hotel.
At a place called Urukvasi.
We are in Urukvasi, Ikudar, small village, and this is a volcano mountain. This guy takes care of us.
Compran para que vaya también.
This hotel that we are staying at is fully made of wood. We have TV. We are just my laptop lying here, doing some video uploading. Vijay is talking with Raj, and our breakfast is getting ready. Hi, what's your name?
Oma,
Oh, and she is making breakfast. She will explain what it is. What it is?
arepas,
Arepas,
chocolate.
chocolate. And what is this?
This is leche con agua panela.
Lechina copoleca. And
Pastel.
Wow. What is this? Carrot cake.
Sí.
Carrot cake. Carrot cake.
Pastel de zanahoria.
And we have plenty of, what is this? Strawberries. Eat how much you want.
Frijoles.
What is this?
Frijoles.
Frijoles. Nice.
Para el almuerzo.
She is preparing good food for us. Really enjoying. We are stuck in Ecuador. I am worried, but one person is not worried. He is working in Ecuador. He has opened an office in Ecuador and started working. Vijay, enough working. Talk something.
New branch in Ecuador for Intrumust. When we do not ride, we hardly get time to do all these things. So there's a beautiful atmosphere. Huh? Look, coffee, laptop, a round chair. Behind is a volcano mountain. Tai. Some Tai. Yeah. Tai means father. Father volcano, that is. Okay. Beautiful atmosphere. Lovely branch. Raj, send me some dollars to sustain in Ecuador.
And we didn't have a lunch, breakfast. It's almost 10 o'clock. They requested I'm doing a breakfast to us. This is breakfast getting ready for us. Hi. Nice people. We are having a local drink here. Which is made homemade drink.
Okay.
Made with this.
Salud.
Salute. What is called? Salute.
Salud in Colombia.
Oh, salute in Colombia. Oh,
Cheers.
cheers.
Okay. Welcome to Pan American Highway. All these days you saw us riding the bikes. Today for a change we are walking on the highway. Middle of the highway. This is our friend Edward from Colombia but residing in Ecuador.
Interior
Fantastic.
designer.
Yeah. A superb place. We'll shoot his hotel when we go back.
A big tree is burning on the middle of the highway. This is called Pan American Highway.
We are doing peaceful protest.
Streetful protest, burning the tree on the road.
The way they have put the tree, I guess next 1 week they are going to protest.
Strawberry.
Wow. Not even a tree, see? Full mud on the road. Wow. Where we can ride. We settle here only. How long it is protest over? When the protest over, we'll start our ride. This is a first quality strawberry, second quality, third quality. The quality is depending upon the sizes. It's almost like a small apple.
I'm tasting.
Super. Wow. Amazing. We have started our ride somewhere there and barricade, fire
We are
barricade.
here. It's a
Welcome.
volcano Thaita in Barbuda. We didn't ride, we did hurdle race. Jumping one barricade after the other, some thorns, some glasses, some fireworks. Crossing all that, we reached Vattavalu. That's what the maximum we could reach. And now here we are at 3,200 meters above mean sea level
On this
a
car.
Mirador. Just to show you how this place looks.
Boy, we are enjoying really. My friend took us all the way here up. We are staying somewhere there down near the lake yesterday, and today we shifted to the mountain, and that was 2,200 feet, Vijay. And he took us to 3,000 feet. It's very chilly. Just show that lake. Lagoon called lake here.
The protest did not cease. It continued to get a little more intense. That's when we decided to take a risk and ride to Quito.
We have stayed in this hotel. Very nice people. Hospitality. They have taken care very nicely. Hi, few words.
Edward, Oma,
Omaira.
Alito.
People are very good. We are enjoyed. We are heading towards Quito. Let's see what happens.
We started to ride inside the forest. There was an old abandoned railway track.
40 years before there was a railway track. The 40 years before they have closed the train. Typical railway track on hilly terrain. Started riding in this railway track, which was terrible experience.
Which was about 15 kilometers.
Initially, we were having a fun riding in the railway track. Slowly, fun became tension.
So the tires were getting wet and this was not giving us enough grip on the surface.
My sledge fully burned. I told Vijay it is not possible to ride further in this railway track. We'll take a highway. So finally, we found a path to reach to the highway. We went to highway. People are burning trees. I think we requested them. We are from India. We want to cross. We were staying in Croatia and requested that wanted to make a board for us. A board writing saying that we are from India doing a world ride. Our Peru visa expiring, so kindly request allow us to cross. So we used to show the board. Vijay used to go front, immediately remove the board and show them the board. When they read the board, people used to discuss themselves and they allow to cross.
Okay, all amigos, thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Pri. Bravo. முன்னாடி போய் பாப்போம்.
Slowly crossing this tough terrain, and finally we reached to Dan's house.
Everybody's here. Everybody's here.
Don's house welcomed us, very nicely taken care of us of the food, and he was there completely with us. What a beautiful house. Oh, we spent 3-4 days here, and what Mr. Don doing for me? He did plenty of things to me. I'm very thankful to him, making a bag for my handling, and he's doing getting Garmin downloaded. Wow. Any mechanical person will love this place. He got everything at one place. He does everything in one place. Brilliant. See, artistic. And he got off-road falls, paints, what else? There's a Land Cruiser. And he got one more old Land Cruiser 4x4. And this Land Cruiser, what he uses daily. All Land Cruisers. There are 2-3 Land Cruisers have gone up. I'm going to ride in Chile. It's going to be cold for me. So Don is stitching one cover for my handle for there. Cold will not get affected. And this sweet darling.
Violeta.
Wow. Hi darling, tell me some words about what's your name?
What's your name?
Tell your name, no?
Dime tu nombre, yo me llamo. Mira en español.
Yo me llamo Violeta.
Acha. Nice. Come on.
Come on.
Wow.
To an
Of
old
course,
problem.
I'm going to travel.
To a very old problem.
Don made for me this. This for my Patagonia, Chile, cold. I was thinking this, but this already designed, patterned by Don. We had a dinner and good time with Don. My sketch burned. His friend was the owner of the tram showroom in Quito. The Quito is totally burned. On his request, they opened the service center and changed the sketch plate for my bike. This is only because of Don. So Don.
Me llamo Ale.
Ale, Don
Yeah.
keeping us from morning to night, full busy.
Yeah, we have been very happy to have you here, okay?
Thank you,
Hope
thank
you
you.
come back and hope to meet you in India.
We will not leave you if you don't come to India.
Uh-huh. No, we will.
I'm
We
sure
have
we
to
will.
come.
Okay.
Nice.
Finally, we decided with the bun, we'll ride our bike. Peru welcomed us very nicely. The country was very good. Because it was greenery. When as soon as you enter Peru, it's a desert. We are in Peru desert. Wow, plain sand. Vijay, how are you feeling?
Super.
Our bikes.
Happy to be in Peru.
After all difficulties, we reached Peru. After reaching Peru, we are seeing this. Beautiful, enjoying it. Peru got everything actually. Bikes are there. Finishing all formalities, we took insurance, we entered Peru and stayed in a small hotel there.
We started riding from Chiclayo, say about 2 hours from Chiclayo. We reached a small village called San Pedro.
there was a more turn. I took a first turn and next Vijay took a turn. Vijay in the four-star and sir, I am in a trouble.
I was trying to take a turn, but the vehicle somehow skidded off the road, and then I had a hard land on the ground.
Hi.
Hi, Perú.
Peru.
Yes. San Pedro de ellos.
Restaurant Pasamayito.
Vijay met with an accident here, exactly this place, where the turning is there. He turned and he fell, he slided slowly and crashed there. The condition of his bike broke. He broke his, what do you say, footrest. A lot of damage to the bike. Vijay, tell your experience, what happened and how you...
If I know how it happened,
Okay. Whatever you remember, please tell with your pain.
I took a turn here. I should have been in 60 to 70 kilometer speed, and then suddenly I lost control of the bike. I couldn't just control. Lucky that there was no opposite side traffic. I crashed, fell down, could not control the bike. Tried my level best, but could not.
How long you slided? From there to there, maybe 50 meters?
50 to 60 meters I slided. Thanks to the gears. These guys are, I love you.
These guys, girls, and their mother and father, they helped us.
They came running and then took me to the side of the road, got me inside their house, called a local doctor, senior person. There was a big swelling. The guy came and reduced it into a small swelling, and then he has put a crepe bandage to my leg. I'm okay. I'm having a soup now. I should be okay in a couple of days and then good to ride to Patagonia.
We decided to take the bikes to Lima. Further treatment we'll do it at Lima. To take to Lima is about 700 kilometers from that spot where Vijay met with an accident.
By this time, the police had also come. Police inquired about me. They helped us get a truck. After 2 days, we reached Lima, where I took the first aid and consulted the physicians. The reports turned out I had broken a bone, so I had to abandon the ride and then fly back to India.
The next day we located a place where they can airlift the bike to India.
So I airlifted the bike and flew myself to India to get treated.
After a brief respite of 2 months, Richard decided to continue the ride on his own. This was not an easy decision, as Richard had Manjunath's company during the first leg covering 23,500 kilometers and Vijay for the second leg covering 18,000 kilometers. He now had the daunting task of riding another 22,000 kilometers all on his own.
The first time I'm riding a solo ride on an international trip. I'm in Australia, the great Harbour Beach. One side is Pacific Ocean, other side is mountains and plain desert. It is high altitude road, dry places, the crosswinds are huge. Not even a tea shop you will get. Even petrol bunks are difficult to find in these terrains.